Hey guys, it's Brianna here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, and if you are already part of the family, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I revive my old crusty box braids with a pretty simple method. So I first start off by cleansing my hair. I like to first focus on the roots and lifting up as much as the dirt, oil, and gel as I possibly can. And I do that just by using, the tips of my fingers to really massage all of the shampoo in. So after that first initial cleanse, I just rinse out all of the shampoo and begin the process again. But this time I also make sure I go down the actual braids themselves, and I do this in a squeezing motion. So as you can see, I'm just squeezing the braids, making sure I kind of work some shampoo in there. And I like to do this instead of, really vigorously rubbing, because I find that they are less frizzy when I do it that way. And when I rinse my braids, I use that exact same motion, just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze until I can see that all the shampoo is out and the water is running clear. Okay, so now we're going to condition our hair. Make sure you get it on your arm and your forehead too. Clearly, I just can't keep the product on my hair itself, but I just work this throughout all of the braids, just kind of rubbing it down. And I like to let this sit on for as long as I possibly can, and then I rinse it out. Now I'm just going to take some pink Oil Moisturizer, and I'm using the Melanin hair care oil, and I'm just going to use that same, squeezing motion and work it down the full length of the braids. This is actually one of my favorite combinations for braids because I feel like it just keeps it moisturized for so much longer. So next I'm just going to take some spray leave-in conditioner and focus it all over my roots. And yes, that is an old eyelash stuck to the bottle. No excuse. Don't judge though. Okay, and to lock in all of that moisture, I'm just going to use some oil by Mielle Organix and just concentrate that all over my scalp. This really helps prevent itching for me, so highly recommend adding oil into your routine. Now I'm going to take some Shine and Jam and focus this on all of the parts that I have in my hair, just to kind of define them again and smooth all of my edges. Okay, so here's my absolute favorite part. I'm just going to take a bunch of mousse and just pile it on the top of my head like this, and see how big I can get this pile to go before it falls all over my face. And then I will just work that into all of my hair all the way down the braids, and this just helps control frizz. It makes everything hold longer, and this really just helps your braids look like new. So now I'm just going to take a scarf and tie it over the top part of my head and just let my hair air dry for a few hours. And these are the results. If you want to see how to get this super cute and fun makeup look, click the card right above to the right. Thank you guys. Have a great day.